Hi guys, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. In today's video, I'm sharing my 20-minute ultimate whole house clean with me to hopefully help motivate you to get it done. In this 20-minute whole house clean with me, I'm doing a little bit of everything to give you all the mid-week motivation to get it done. What's a cleaning motivation without some laundry motivation too? So get ready to clean with me, and if you are new, I'd love for you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me,
I'm starting here in my kitchen because this is what gets me going. Once my kitchen is clean, I feel like the rest of my house is a breeze. Where do you typically start cleaning in your house? Comment below and let me know what room you start in to get yourself going.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building, it's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So as I was vacuuming the chairs, I looked up and saw that my light attention is so dusty up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that, and then we'll go from there.
I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you.
Okay, so I loaded what I could in the dishwasher, and now I'm gonna hand wash the remaining dishes, which are mostly just pots and a mixing bowl.
Back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me you're sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning.
So once I loaded the dishwasher, I saw that someone ate the last whoopie pie. And let me tell you guys, this was it's pumpkin whoopie pies. If you have not already seen my fall clean and decorate with me video, in that video I made a fall dessert and it was called whoopie pies with cream cheese in the middle. Let me tell you guys, they were absolutely phenomenal. If you haven't tried them already, please go watch that video and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And you should definitely try them for your family. They were amazing.
Mistake, I always let you back in. When I begin to get myself together again, you are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in. When I begin to get myself together again, you are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you.
Once I'm finished wiping this island cabinets off, I'm pretty much finished with my kitchen. So when I finish doing my dishes, I love cleaning out my kitchen sink. What products do you guys use to clean your sink out? I normally use Barkeeper's Friend or just plain dish detergent, like if it's in the middle of the day. But I usually clean it at least once a day with the Barkeeper's Friend. So comment below, tell me what you use to clean your kitchen sink out with.
It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated.
tell you, your girl was tired. So once I finish vacuuming the floor, I'm going to mop. I'm not going to mop on this particular video, but I will get to it tonight. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to move on to the living room because then everything in here is finished. So I'm moving on to the living room. As I said before, on this particular day, it really wasn't that bad. Honestly, this table, my coffee table, actually gets stuff on it every day throughout the day. So I'm always picking up from this table and refolding the throw and putting it back on the chair. And then I'm going to wipe down all the tables in here with Miss Meyer's lemon scent. You guys know I love lemon scent. And you guys, I actually need to put in an order to Grove Collaborative because I normally get my Miss Meyer's cleaning products from Target, but for some reason my Target shelves have been empty. Like the whole cleaning aisles at Target is still empty. So I need to put in an order to Grove Collaborative, and that's really why I don't have any fall scents here because I was hoping Target would get them in, but I don't think it's going to work. So I'll be putting in an order possibly this week so that way I can get some more cleaning products because I am getting low.
Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild waves. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about.
Okay, so here I'm just using a leather cleaner and conditioner. Every now and then I do try to wipe these down just because they do get dirty. Plus, it's just, I think they're cleaner. The leather sofas are cleaner because we do have kids and we have pets, and it's just easier just to wipe them off and just keep going. So that is what I'm doing here.
What a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't want to talk anymore. I want to get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get...
Okay, so I finally made it to vacuuming these floors. We actually just put down this new area rug, and if you haven't already seen, my last video was a massive clean with me, and we put down this new rug. We changed it out with the other one that we had, and I do love it, you guys. It has grown on me. I was a little bit not thinking if I was going to keep it because the rug was kind of thin, but I do love the lighter neutral color. So after I finish vacuuming the floor, then I'm going to move on to my laundry. I actually put a load in already, and I had one load in the dryer, so it should be done. So I can put those away, and then I need to start another load of laundry today.
Too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when
guys, so here we go. Laundry motivation time. Come on, get up. Let's get your basket of laundry and whatever you have, and let's fold them together. Because this is a task that I know I put off. I'm not sure about you guys, but I know I put it off until the last possible minute, which means sometime I don't get to it ever until the next day or even days later. So I try to make myself fold the laundry same day once it's done. So once I'm finished folding this laundry, I am going to sweep and mop the hallway because I don't get to that as often as I should, but today it is on my list, so I am going to take care of that today.
No, I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking.
Okay, you guys, so this is it for today. I hope this 20-minute ultimate whole house clean with me video helped you through your midweek, and if it did, please sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more motivational videos, then please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more, and plus it helps my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.